Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, for those of you that are down in the South, you have our thoughts and prayers here. You're not used to that type of cold or snow, and we're used to it here up in the North, even though we don't really like it. This is my official entry into the WIG 2023 Winter Indoor Gardening. It took a while to get everything together, so the entry is late, but the most important thing is that we still continue to grow. And in Ohio Zone 6B, there's not much that's going to be happening outside. In fact, this is what the garden is looking like right now. Most of my seeds were dropped about 10 days ago. Some were dropped 2 days ago. It took a while for me to find where I had set the orange hat tomato seeds. So that was one of the stragglers. I still have one spot left in the green stalk to fill with something. I still need to sow my hot peppers and my onions as well, and that'll be coming up soon. And then it also took time for my daughter to decide what we wanted to grow, because she thinks this is her channel, not mine. I told her it's TLC in the garden, not CLK in the garden. But she said her name starts with a C, so it's partly her channel as well. Gotta love teenagers. So let's see what's been growing on. Okay, so far, no germination on my sweet peppers or the Easter egg eggplant. We've got germination on the Siberian kale. Got to get better lights. That one's a little leggy. One little piece of chard is germinated. 2 of the 3 royal burgundy bush beans have germinated. And there's nothing in this one yet. And then here, and I really love the GameCube because you can angle the light up that particular direction. 2 of the Florida Petite there, I'll have to take one out, and a Florida Petite here. I just wanted to see if there was a difference with the water being circulated growing versus it not. I just dropped the orange hat in here and here yesterday. Had to find those seeds. And no germination yet on my lettuce, so I'll be dropping more seeds after this. And that's about it for right now, you guys. Still have my hot peppers to put in. Still have my onions that need to be sown. And we'll be doing that shortly. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.